Your paycheck is not only the number that lands in your checking account. Your total compensation may also include benefits you only receive if you take action. The open loop here is important. If the match is such a big deal, why do so many people still fail to build momentum? Because the account is only the container. The real question is what happens after the money enters it. Let's make this visual. Imagine two people who both want the same future. One starts investing early with smaller monthly contributions. The other waits, then tries to catch up later with much larger contributions. The later starter can still make progress. Absolutely, but the math gets less forgiving because they have fewer years for returns to potentially compound. The SEC uses a 7% average annual return assumption in one illustration of long-term diversified investing. Under that assumption, reaching the same future target requires larger monthly